Good afternoon, good evening, everyone. This is me, Katkia, and today I'm going to present about the topic the Third Eye Space Telescope. I'm sure you might have guessed that yes, it is the Hubble Space Telescope. Some facts about the Hubble Space Telescope. Named in honor of the famous astronomer Sir Edwin Hubble, the Hubble Space Telescope is a large space based observatory far above the rain clouds, light pollution, and atmospheric distortions. Hubble has a crystal clear view of the universe. Telescopes have a particular range of light that they can detect, right? Isn't it? Hubble's domain extends from the ultraviolet through the visible light, which our eyes can see, and to the near infrared. Hubble has made more than 1.4 million observatories over the course of its lifetime. Hubble has peered back into our universe's distant past. In its over 30 years of operation, Hubble has made observatories that have captured humanity's observations again. The Hubble Space Telescope was the first astronomical observatory to be placed into orbit around Earth with an ability to record images in wavelengths. Few pictures about the Hubble Space Telescope. This is the Hubble Space Telescope over here. It is connected to the ISS so that they can fix it. See, this is the rod over there. And here are some astronauts working on it or fixing mending it. And here the same picture without the astronauts zoomed in. Some specifications about the Hubble Space Telescope, right? So this is the Hubble Space Telescope. This is the picture though, the communication antennas, there are two of them. The solar panels, which allow them for the sun's light to get them. Some specifications about it. These are the solar panels. It is powered by 6 nickel hydrogen batteries. And now this is the communication antennas to communicate with the ground base to send pictures with the Hubble Space Telescope have taken to control it. The aperture door the aperture door helps the camera to get a high resolution optical image. So this is like our eyes. This is our eyelid and this is our eye. We see everything through here, and this will only open when it wants to take any pictures. So now coming to the length and all. So length is 13.2 meters, diameter is 2.4. Few recapping something. So the Hubble Space Telescope, often reserved to HST or Hubble Space Telescope, is one of the first launched telescope into low orbit in 1990. So thank you everyone. Drop a feedback at this form. I'm gonna link in the description. Thanks for your time. Hope you have a nice day. This is me, Karthikeya, zooming out.